How's that view? So I'm on the AT today, starting at Clingmans Dome, Kauai, and I'm hiking to Cades Cove. So I know it's a long one, probably about the limit of what I've hiked before, 22 miles I think. All of it is just to get this section of the AT between Clingmans and Cades Cove or Spencefield. So probably about, I think it's like 11.5 new miles today for me, but the rest is stuff I've hiked before. But man, it's beautiful up here. All right, well, I got a lot of miles ahead of me. I'm only 1 mile in, so I got about 21 to go. So I'm gonna get after it here. Hopefully I'll see a bear today, so we'll see. Oh, and I am gonna see 4 of the shelters. If I go to Spencefield, I may not, but if not, I'll see 3. Okay, I'll get some pictures of those. Whew. I'm hot too. All right, let's go. I mean, this is the view pretty much everywhere on the trail so far, so wow, it's amazing. Just past Thunderhead in the clouds. Spencefield, no view today. Clouds rolled in. It's kind of neat. It's like walking through a fog. There's some azaleas here, but as you can see, they're not blooming yet. Not too far away. The buds are shooting up, so maybe 3 more weeks. Well, this is a tough hike. All right, let's go. Well, we're on the home straightaway. Looks like this hike is going to end up around 22.3 roughly, maybe 22.2, and it's pretty rugged. That AT section from Clingmans Dome to Spencefield is no joke. Climbing Briar Knob is very steep, and then right after that you get to do Thunderhead. So those are two steep half miles. Briar's a little bit more difficult. I've seen no bears today, but I have seen 47 hikers. I counted them. So there's a lot of activity on the trails today. It is holiday. So, and the fog and clouds rolled in around Spencefield, and it's been that way ever since. I'm on Anthony Creek now, which is a really nice trail. It's been a while since I've hiked this whole Anthony Creek trail, but I'd rather take it down than lead Cove because it's not nearly as steep. So it's easier to walk down. A little bit longer, half a mile, but who cares? All right, I think I'm gonna call it. Happy hiking, y'all. I think the next one I got two more I got to do on Clingmans Dome Road. So I think I'm gonna try to do those pretty soon. So maybe that'll be next, who knows. All right, let's finish this thing up. I forgot to mention the hike is around 22.3, but on my map, new mileage today will be around 11.5, I think, total new miles, what I haven't hiked before. And when I add that to my map total, I think I'll be somewhere around 591 after today. So getting really close to 600. That's exciting. All right, happy hiking, y'all. This time for good.